Imagine it's 3 p.m., you've had a busy day, and you're still not sure what you're making for dinner. You could easily just throw in the towel and grab some takeout or order delivery, or you could try these quick and easy dinner recipes. It'll most likely save you some money and some calories to maintain your weight loss goals. Number 1. Coconut lime marinated shrimp plus noodles. Ingredients: 3 limes, 3/4 cup light coconut milk, 1 teaspoon low sodium soy sauce, 2 cloves garlic, 1 1-inch piece fresh ginger, 1 red chili, 1½ c. fresh cilantro, 2 scallions, thinly sliced, white and green parts separated, 1 large, thick carrot, 2 medium zucchini, 1 red pepper, thinly sliced, 1 pound cooked, peeled, deveined shrimp. Directions: finely grate zest of 1 lime into a large bowl, then squeeze in juice of all limes, should yield about 1/4 cup. Whisk in coconut milk and soy sauce. Finely grate in garlic, ginger, and half red chili. Finely chop half cup cilantro and stir into the bowl along with scallion whites. Thinly slice rest of chili and set aside. Using a spiralizer fitted with the finest noodle blade, spiralize carrot, then use a larger blade to spiralize zucchini. Toss noodles in coconut milk mixture, let sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, fold in red pepper, shrimp, and remaining cilantro. Sprinkle with remaining scallions and sliced chili. Number 2. Herb roasted chicken and cherry tomatoes. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon plus 1 tablespoon oil, 2 large bone-in chicken breasts, about 12 ounces each, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 tsp. pepper, 1 pound cherry tomatoes, halved, 1 sprig rosemary, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, crushed, 1 c. instant polenta, 1 teaspoon red wine vinegar, 1/4 c. parsley, chopped. Heat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat 1 teaspoon oil in large oven safe skillet on medium. Season chicken breasts with ½ teaspoon each salt and pepper. Cook, skin sides down, until golden brown and crisp, 5 to 7 minutes. Turn, add cherry tomatoes, rosemary and fennel seeds, drizzle with 1 tablespoon oil and season with 1/4 teaspoon each salt and pepper, then roast until chicken is just cooked through and tomatoes have begun to break down, 12 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare polenta. Discard rosemary, transfer chicken to cutting board and let rest 5 minutes. Stir red wine vinegar into tomatoes, then toss with parsley. Remove bone from chicken, slice and serve on polenta. Top with tomatoes. Number 3. Homemade soup with asparagus. Ingredients: 4 ounces boneless, skinless chicken breast, 1 cup Amy's organic chunky vegetable soup, 2 tablespoons dry quinoa, 1 cup chopped kale, 10 small asparagus spears, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 1/8 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. Directions: bake chicken at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, then shred with a fork. Meanwhile, combine soup, quinoa, and kale in a saucepan, bring to a boil, and simmer until quinoa is done, about 15 minutes. Add chicken. Steam asparagus, then toss with soy sauce and ginger. Serve asparagus on the side. Now enjoy your dinner recipe.